What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Ford EcoSport, and we are getting no key detected here on the dash. All right, let's see. No key detected. All right, so this car here does have a aftermarket remote that does unlock and lock the doors, but we are getting no key detected. All right, but you can still get this car to start. There is a way to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, the reason why this might be happening, I'm not too sure with this aftermarket remote, but if you have a factory remote, a lot of times that will happen, or this will happen because the battery is dead. All right, so you need to look into changing the battery out on the remote and see what happens. So you can still get this to start with a dead battery or a remote that's not working very well, like this one. If you go into the center console, there is a slot right here. This slot right here, we're gonna get the key. We're gonna put it in the slot. Just drop it in like that. All right, there it is. Now, the car should start. Put your foot on the brake, engine start, stop, start right up, okay? So this will get you by for a little while until you figure out what's going on with your remote. And I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could.